and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Happy Fansells Friday to you all. So I have a couple of diamond paintings and an off the canvas item to share with you today. I'm going to start with off the canvas. This type of item has been around for a while, but this design hasn't, and it caught my eye. So these are key rings, if I can get in them. These are acrylic key rings, and they come, you get the toolkit, but you also get the little ball and chain and the key ring clasp for each one. And they are double-sided, but these I just thought were so sweet. So we've got a pride flag, we've got a peace sign, we've got a rainbow, we've got another rainbow with a heart at the end, and we have a heart. And I love a good fun colour diamond painting to sort of brighten up the day, and I thought this set did that. So we have 5 different key rings, say they're all double-sided, and then they all take individual rhinestones. So this is the letter A, and this is used quite a bit. You actually get 2 bags of that. But if you have a look here, so for on the heart, that's actually what divides each row. So either side of the yellow, either side of the red, the orange, the green has a row of the letter A. And it does appear throughout as sort of like a dividing colour. Not so much on the rainbow, it's an outline. On the flag, it's a dividing colour, and don't forget you need diamonds for both sides. And then it also is sort of the definition of the fingers and stuff on this one as well, or the finger and the thumb, and the outline on that. So you get 2 of those, but then you get some red, some orange, some yellow, some green, some blue, some purple, and then some dark blue, or indigo if you want to call it. Is it indigo? Yeah. So full rainbow lineup for that one to do those key rings. So that will be a nice chirpy project to do. Let me just get the diamonds back for the sake of not mixing them up with anything else. And we'll go on to a painting. This is a painting that also uses special diamonds, that gives you a canvas that you can then frame, etc. It is a 30 by 30, this one, and it is this gorgeous, is it kingfisher? Gorgeous kingfisher. It has 14 different diamonds. This one has multiple different shapes and sizes. So as you can see here, we've got teardrops, we've got petal shapes here, we've got different sizes of the circles, and then we do also have the small ones as well. You also get a toolkit. Gotta get your toolkits. And then the diamonds for this one, oh, in fact, some of those circle ones, circle symbols, are actually flowers. Some very pretty ones in here. Okay, let's start with the more standard size diamonds. We have some blue pearls. So they've got like an AB coating, which is why I call them like a pearl type. They're smooth, they've not got the ridges that a rhinestone has. Then we've got some iridescent rhinestones, and they do have the ridges, the facets. We have some yellow rhinestones, gorgeous turquoise, purple, nice bit of lime green, hot pink, little bit of black, not too much black at all. Then we have your petal shape in a silver or a clear. We have circles in orange, circles in pink, petals in a gorgeous blue. Then we have the actual sort of teardrop shaped ones. They're like a peacock feather. You see the two-tone in that? Oh, beautiful. And then we have the big rose or flower shaped ones as well. So some really nice special diamonds in that one. I love a good special diamonds project. In fact, when I wasn't well a while back, I actually, when I started diamond painting again, I actually did a few special ones. You know, you've got that sense of achievement. It's not too much, it's not too big for you to think it's a bit overwhelming. And they're great as a break-up project between big ones as well. So that's painting number 2. And then we go to a full drill painting, this one. It is a 30 by 40. It is a round, I'm pretty sure. It is a round. Flower wolf. Isn't he beautiful? Or maybe it's a she. I don't know. I see all wolves as a he. I don't know why. This could be a female wolf. 19 different colours. Does come with DMC numbers. And all the symbols are letters. But yeah, I just thought it was so nice. A little bit different. It has a toolkit with it. And the diamonds come in bags, which is always good. So this is your background colour, which is 3747. Nice blue. Then we've got some whites, browns, purples, blues, quite a bit of greens and blues, a little bit of grey, of course. Got to bring the wolf in there. And they're all in individual baggies. So pretty easy to kit up when in bags like that. And they're all numbered so that you know which one's which. You could even work just from the bags if you wanted to. But yeah, I think he's adorable. So there we go. We have, let's call it the female wolf, the kingfisher, and a set of key rings for today's little options. I will pop, of course, a link down below to each of these items so that you can check them out for yourselves. Thank you again. I keep saying it, but it's true. Thank you so much to Fansells for sending me these items and for sponsoring today's video. And a huge thanks to you guys for watching and keeping these videos coming. I'll speak to you all again soon.